Day 3.
Evangelical Christians are not like base Catholics or Orthodox or any of that shit. They're evangelicals. Evangelical Christians are deep in the tank for Israel. I don't give a shit about Israel. I think as far as the region goes, Israel's better than the alternatives in terms of allies. They have better military might. The problem is that we give away too much foreign aid.
I'm supposed to drive out of there, truck or other car that tried to 1050 me.
Chinese money. I saw
Expired paper plate 9/12/21 on the Kia.
Wow, dude.
Oh, look, an expired paper plate from 10/6/21. Don't see those too often in the city. Hey, it's a 2-for-1 special. 2-for-1 special. Both expired paper plates I mentioned earlier are side by side. How cute! So cute. Jeep, if you knew you needed to be in this lane, why did you get over? Remember earlier you were in front of me. Oh, and now you're in front of me again. Because you're a piece of shit. That's why. You're a fucking asshole. Jeep. Fucking what? I need to make sure I saw that right.
they are bailing out. My God, comes in. Where did this guy come from? Oh, it looks like an L. Maybe it looks like.
Pretty sure that van just ran those red lights. Running the stop sign. A Prius even. Confirmed then, proven that all Prius drivers are assholes. People always say, who's the bigger asshole driver? BMW, Audi, Porsche, or Mercedes? I always reply, Prius. Prius drivers are in fact the biggest asshole drivers. And see Exhibit A for further.
See? But a person who starts and stops a video recording in particular
Fucking go!
it's going to be obvious to anybody who watches it.
Like to go sometime today. But no, I got two motherfuckers in front of me on their goddamn telephone.
Police get called, and this man shows
Ah.
up wearing